Love is a very fragile definition. Everybody has their own meaning. For somebody, it might be a touch which gives you a sparkle. For somebody, it might be a mystery that is unfolded every day. For somebody, it is exploring the different sides of the same. For everybody, love is different. But what really love is? Hi friends, I am Dr. Ashita Nangaonkar, founder of Alkanand Homeo Care Clinic, homeopathic consultant and psychological counselor. And you're watching my very own channel, Alkanand Clinic. Today's topic for discussion is difference between love and attraction. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, press the bell icon now to get subscribed and stay notified. Often attractions are mistaken to be in love. And this happens because of instability of our own thoughts. Thoughts that change with time. Thoughts that change with experience, with feelings. When a person gives us attention, makes us feel special, we tend to get attracted to that person. We spend more and more time with that person, we get involved with that person, and our mind tends to start thinking about the moment he has made us feel special. We tend to start feeling that we are in love with the person. But with time, now when the person is not having enough time to give to you, when the person is not making you feel special anymore, you tend to think that he has so many flaws. You tend to realize you don't feel the same way anymore. Yes, my friends, it is not love, it is attraction. Attraction is a feeling which is dependent on the feelings of the opposite person, on the behavior that the person gives us, on the way that the person makes us feel. Whereas love is independent and irrespective of all this. You can accept the flaws of the opposite person and love him back, irrespective of getting back love from him. Just the way a parent nurtures the child with all his drawbacks and with all his flaws. Love does not bond you, it frees you. It understands you as a different soul and still stays consistent with you. It leads to self-identification, self-realization and self-actualization in life. It leads to self-development. Love is not duty bound, it is just constant. With no matter how many ifs and thens it might be, there is always no matter what. It is very important to give up on the temporary pleasure that we seek from the temporary attachment. Even after realizing that it is temporary attachment, we still tend to cling back to it. It's okay to hurt somebody for once than making their life miserable throughout. I hope those who feel that they are in love will reconsider themselves after watching this video. I hope that you found this video useful. For any further queries, you can contact me on the below given details. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned, stay notified every Monday. Thanks for watching till then.